Hi, how to change the default printer in Batch and Print Pro. So you can do this before printing files and also automatically after printing files. You can also control it after printing as well. In general, when you print a file, so you drag and drop and click print, it will always print to the default printer that has been set. Now you can go to File menu, Printer Setup, and change the printer by default, and it will change to that default printer. Now you can control it in the list as well. So for example, if you want to print to a Sharp printer, then all you have to do is create a file with a printer name .printer on the end. You can just drag and drop that in the list like that, and what that will do, it will set it to default, and then you can print the example, and then you can change it back to that printer. So this will now print. It will set the Sharp printer, and then it will print to it, and then set it back to the default Xerox printer. So the Xerox printer is now back normal. So if you go on what's printed, you can see that it's printed the file to the Sharp printer as it's in the list. You can also do it another way. In directory monitor, you can actually force it back afterwards. So you can go into options, directory monitor setup. So you set up your monitor as normal, and then you click on run bat.exe. And what you can do, you can put in the command to actually switch the printer. This is the DOS command to switch the printer default. So you're just going to wait for all the files to finish printing, and then you can set it back to another printer. So I can pick, say, this printer here afterwards. So you put that name in there like that, save and exit. So it's going to print to this Xerox printer here, 5855, and then it's going to switch back to that printer after printing. It's going to right mouse update that profile, activate monitoring. I'm going to clear the log because I've already printed it. So you can see there it's printed to the Xerox 5855, but it's now switched the printer to the Xerox EX80 afterwards, which I want to be my default printer, say, for the office, for everything else. And that's how you switch printers during a print job. The reason why it showed BP merged on that file is because it had multiple files and it merged them together. There's an option here which you can uncheck, which will stop from doing that. So I'm going to clear print log again. As you can see, it's switched to that printer, and then it's going to switch back. That's how you switch back. Give it a try.